A jury in Dublin ruled in favor of a woman who accused UFC fighter Conor McGregor of sexually assaulting her in a hotel room in December 2018. McGregor was ordered to pay the woman €248,000, roughly $257,000 in damages. The decision came after several days of deliberation, with the jury ultimately siding against McGregor's account of events. The woman alleged that the assault happened after she met McGregor at a Christmas party in Dublin. She testified in court that McGregor forced her onto a bed, choked her multiple times, and made her fear for her life. According to her, McGregor threatened her during the assault, saying she would not leave the room alive. During her emotional testimony, the woman recounted that McGregor said, "Now you know how I felt in the octagon where I tapped out 3 times," referring to his past UFC defeats. She said she was terrified and thought she would never see her daughter again. After the incident, she apologized to McGregor, believing it might calm him down and prevent further harm. She claimed he then sexually assaulted her. A paramedic who examined the woman the following morning described her injuries as the worst bruising he had ever seen on a patient. These details were shared in court and reported by BBC News. McGregor has consistently denied the accusations, insisting their encounter was consensual. He described the incident as vigorous but athletic and claimed the woman never expressed discomfort or tried to stop him. McGregor dismissed the allegations as lies, stating, "It is a full-blown lie among many lies." He also denied choking her, saying he would never highlight a personal weakness, referring to his UFC losses in that way. Her lawyer, John Gordon, painted a different picture for the jury. He argued that McGregor was angry and frustrated after losing a UFC fight in Las Vegas 2 months earlier and took out his rage on the woman. Gordon called McGregor a devious coward and urged the jury to see him for what he truly was. The jury consisted of 8 women and 4 men. After careful consideration, they rejected McGregor's defense and ruled in favor of the woman. McGregor, however, is not currently facing criminal charges for the alleged assault. Irish police had investigated the complaint, but prosecutors declined to move forward, citing insufficient evidence to guarantee a conviction. After the court ruling, McGregor released a statement announcing his intention to appeal. He expressed disappointment with the jury's decision and claimed they were not shown all the evidence reviewed during the police investigation. He said, "The judge's instructions and the modest award given were for assault, not for aggravated or exemplary damages." McGregor's legal team emphasized that jurors should avoid letting personal feelings toward the fighter influence their judgment. His attorney, Remy Farrell, told the jury, "Some of you may dislike him or even loathe him, but that shouldn't affect your decision." In recent years, McGregor has faced challenges both professionally and personally. He has not fought in the UFC since breaking his leg in July 2021 during a match against Dustin Poirier. While McGregor had announced a comeback fight against Michael Chandler in June, he withdrew due to an injury. Despite his struggles, McGregor continues to promote his return, calling it the greatest comeback in sports history. McGregor is engaged to Dublin, with whom he shares 4 children. His family has remained a central part of his public image, even as his legal and professional troubles continue to make headlines. This verdict is not the end of the story. It does not conclusively prove Conor McGregor's guilt, as he has the legal right to appeal the decision. McGregor has already announced his intention to challenge the ruling, stating that he remains disappointed with the outcome and believes not all evidence was properly considered. The appeal process could lead to further developments in this ongoing case.